Hello, this is Theo Marshall, MarineMax Boston, and today we're taking a look at the 2021 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. She's powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury engine. You have your boarding ladder on your starboard side, live well here on the port side, big bench in the aft, very comfortable. Up behind your helm seat, you have this table that clips right in and out. And under the seat, your cooler storage. Big, comfortable two-person helm seat, which brings you to your helm, your throttle, fusion stereo, your Raymarine screens, your switches, and your compass. Making our way up the starboard side, you notice the rod holders, cup holders, stainless steel railing, which brings you inside the console, where you'll find your head, along with some storage space and a good spot for that bow table. Up against the console, you have this big comfortable seat here, and of course, live well storage underneath. Two rod holders on both the port and starboard side, along with two cup holders. Nice, deep, comfortable seating in the bow with your JL audio speakers, cup holders. Nice spot for that bow picnic table. And of course, storage and live well underneath your bow seat. Up at the anchor, you have your windlass, nice locker, again, this is the 2021 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. For any additional information, any questions, please reach out, give us a call at 508-320-3350. Thank you very much.